How do you think about the articulation?
Yeah, it's excellent. It's very easy to do. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, it has articulation buttons on each side of the stapler, so it makes it much easier.
Yeah, drawer can be stopped at any angle. You can have a try as well.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. You're not. It's not limited in certain. You can do it whatever's convenient.
Yeah.
That's great, and it's actually very easy. And also the rotation, it's very easy. It's not stiff.
No, it's very easy.
It's very easy to, which makes a big difference because sometimes it can be quite stiff.
Yeah.
So that's a really good thing as well. And then in terms of opening it, that's easy as well. There's a button just underneath here.
Yes.
To open. So it's very ergonomic basically. So let's just try this. I'm going to now close it and then fire it and see whether it works.
Let's see.
Oh wow, very nice. That's great, especially because we just used one cartridge. It's a very nice staple line, very clean cut. It didn't chew through the tissue. Very nice. So you can imagine you can easily do a small bowel anastomosis with your stapler, and it's also a very simple stapler. It doesn't have lots of flashing displays, you know. That's like some staplers do, make it very confusing.
Yeah.
So I think it's an excellent product, and certainly something I'd be very keen to try out. So let's just try the thicker one. Okay. And see if that works. That's 45 degrees that way.
Yeah.
And yeah, you can stop it at any angle.
Yes.
Because I'm going to do the same thing on this bowel, but in the opposite direction. So I'm going to close it first, open it, close it, and now I've closed it. And when I closed it, I just noticed something. When I closed it without the tissue, this blue wasn't flashing. Yeah. But now I put the tissue in it, close it, does it detect that there's something between the jaws? So
we do have the tissue detective technology in this device.
Okay.
So once it's been clamped, the jaw, and then the system will actually feel how thick the tissue is and give appropriate power to the jaw for the tissue to be properly clamped. Okay. So once it feels that it's been properly clamped, then the blue light will be flashing.
So this is a very good safety feature, because what it means is that it will only allow you to fire when you've closed it completely.
You're absolutely right.
So actually, that's clever.
Yeah.
Because only when you close it does the blue light flash. It basically tells you it's ready to fire.
Yes.
Basically.
Yeah.
That's clever.
And one thing I would like to add here as well, if this tissue is very thick, then the cutting speed would be slightly slow. So the cutting speed would be adjusted to suit the thickness of the tissue in order for the cutting and anastomosis to be perfect.
Okay, I understand. So what I'm going to do is, again, this is a slightly thicker, higher staple height, 4 millimeters. So let's see how it behaves with this. So I'm going to just press the safety.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to just fire.
Firing.
Now let's inspect it. Wow. Very nice, yeah. Oh, you can see the inside of it as well. Yeah, very good.
Good.
So, very exciting actually. I must say, this is very impressive. And it's easy to use. I mean, I've tried a lot of powered staplers over the years in a lab setting. I found them either quite heavy or too many buttons. Left, right, circular, rotation, and it gets a little confusing. I think you've got the right balance here of automation, intelligence, as well as it's simple. So I think it's a great product. I think this is one of the few automated staplers that I picked up very quickly, and I think it's because it's intelligent, it's automated, but it's also the buttons are quite simple and very ergonomic. So you can articulate it with your right index finger if you're right-handed, but if you're left-handed, you can use the left side.
That's absolutely
I haven't seen that before.
The way.